Good evening, friends. In this particular part of my playlist on Python, I'm going to showcase to you more about Guido van Russom, his publications in with the help of the Python, in the field of the programming languages, multimedia, and what he has done. So let me go ahead and take you for a small introduction so that we can know more about it. This is from his website, gvanrussum.github.io. It's in public domain. It's available to everybody. The only reason why I'm showcasing is that you don't have to spend money to learn Python. Remember that it's everything is available for you. It's only that you need to go ahead and start learning about them. Now there are Python reference manual is there. Python sorry tutorial is available to you. How to go ahead, do the extensions and embed the Python interpreter. If you understand these things, you can carry forward and you can do. His publications are available both on Python as a programming language, as a scripting language, as well as the multimedia itself. Also, he has done quite a lot of things. That's what I said. The research, which maybe after 5 more videos, I will be showcasing to you how well you can proceed further with the research and the kind of the examples that I can show it to you, that you can really utilize Python, in your own research work and analysis would be fantastic. And that's the awesome thing that I really motivated. I mean, that's something that really motivated me to proceed further and carry forward. And once I saw my own students, coming up with the manner, the research, and the analysis from their own areas of life, and it's not been copied anywhere. They just learn the programming language, they dedicated themselves for a few days, and then they started observing the examples as well as the I would say certain scenarios wherein this particular programming language was used, and they came up with wonderful full cases for me. And we have been able to publish at least 4 books, and 5 more are in the pipeline using this particular programming language. Now that's what allowed me to go forward and share it with each one of you also side by side. So this is something that we can look into it and understand and see how he is taking care and in what manner things are carrying forward. Now here, apart from these things, you can even see that yes, he has certain I would say contributions towards his own other languages also side by side. So in that manner, I would say things were very useful for us and we were able to take care. So that's what I just wanted to showcase to you, number one. Number two, here you can even see that yes, his own blog that he keeps writing continuously in a very dedicated manner, the history of the Python, which I was talking about in my earlier videos when I was introducing, and I just shared the links only, and here I'm able to showcase to you that see, this is how the introduction for the history of the Python and the entire different topics, you can have a look at them and you can read and you can understand if you are interested in the programming language. However, there are certain areas also wherein he discusses about how to debug certain cases while you are using the language, especially for your own data mining or data analysis part of it, or business analysis, I would say. Now once you are able to do it, you will be able to check it out and find out that yes, there are various ways in which you can understand. So this is one more area which I really wanted to show to each one of you, so that you are able to understand and see how the programmer himself has been dedicated and came up with various versions, not only the versions along with his friends or the I would say the famous 5 developers who were present, however on different topics also. So if you are stuck up on something, don't just think that yes, I cannot proceed further. The solutions are available, they are there to help you out and proceed further also right from the scratch. Now I do see that yes, there are certain people who are stuck up and they just wait, or they are spending lot of money. However, I would say don't do that. There are certain ways in which you can proceed further and you are able to take care. So I'm going to now, this is one more website which is called as the neo pythonic version of it, in which he talks about how the programming language was created for a community and how it has become the journey from a single person to how it has become an open source programming language, as well as the platform for us to work on it, has been discussed in this particular blog also. So I think each one of you should go through these two blogs also, and I'll be sharing some more material whenever it is feasible for me. So I'm going to end up and coming up with more to go. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.